Miguel, a peaceful fisherman, is approached by a young businessman after a long day of fishing.
Those are impressive fish you've got there.
Gracias, señor. They are good fish.
How long did it take you to catch all these?
Only a little while, just an afternoon.
Why didn't you stay out longer to catch more fish?
Señor, this is enough to support my family.
But what do you do with the rest of your time?
Señor, I sleep late, fish a little, play with my children. I take siestas with my wife, Maria. In the evenings, I sip vino and play guitar with my amigos.
Well, that sounds nice, but I'm a Harvard MBA and could help you do better. You should spend more time fishing and buy a bigger boat. With the proceeds, you could buy several boats, eventually a whole fleet. Instead of using middlemen, you'd sell directly to your own canning facility. You'd need to move to Mexico City, then LA, and finally New York to run your empire.
Muy bueno, but how long will this all take?
15 to 20 years.
Señor, but what then?
That's the best part. You'd become a millionaire through an IPO.
Millionaire, okay, and then what?
Then you could retire to a small coastal village, sleep late, fish a little, play with your kids, take siestas with your wife, and enjoy evenings playing guitar with friends.
But señor, isn't that exactly what I have right now?